Let's take a look at the top headlines first. Miscreants burned down the House of Union, Minister of State R.K. Ranjan. Refugees, nomadic people and immigrants do not have politics of their own, NSC and IM. And curfew relaxed till 1 p.m. in Imphal West and East. Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to ELITETV English News. I'm Utpala. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. In an unfortunate incident, some miscreants had burned down the House of Union Minister of State, External Affairs and Education, R.K. Ranjan, located at Kongba, Nandaibam Laikai last night. The incident took place around 10:55 p.m. According to a report culled from the spot, some unidentified miscreants came and torched the house. The report further said no one was at the house as the minister and his family are in Delhi. The neighbors tried to douse the fire, however they could not. Manipur Fire Services came late in the night and completely doused the fire. Our video journalists Langamba and Hinthoiba reported from the spot. Please have a look.
You must use my chat to my chai pose, Kana Tormino, Karimani Tormino, Havagi, Lalan and Jelaba Kambon of this, you must the lady, Gary Amadis, who the lady, Pocheca, and to my chakra, you go. You Manungu over some Tamana Chakalabli. You go Siki Makata or to go Siki Matanga, Makata, young Tanwan.
Morning tapos ising iba yung kaya kanang kasi kay. Sport dari yung kala.
Ano na?
Yeah.
Hirma sa matangga, cameraman. Ento bagalo rin na pauto dari ba? Ay kom lang pa. Hindi mo ba?
Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has stated that the existing tension is between the government and those people who came to the state illegally, and added that the Mizo National Front, MNF, has no business in the internal affairs of Manipur. MNF should refrain from interfering in the internal affairs of Manipur, he said. There are Manipuri people in Assam whose population is more or less similar to that of Mizoram. How will the Assam-Manipur relationship be if the Manipuri people in Assam demand separate administration, and if I support the same demand? Biren asked. Speaking to media persons at the Chief Minister's Secretariat today, Biren maintained that the state government has a firm stance to safeguard the unity and integrity of the state. The government will not compromise even an inch of the land to any force trying to disturb the state's unity and integrity, he asserted. N. Biren continued that his government will not do anything that is against the interests of the people, and appeal to the public to put faith in its efforts to restore normalcy in the state.
Curfew si koi hayeng dagi di krasang na normal life ama langin na bahay patare mayam si da subo sa chaba dukan ama kopo yana na ay kung mga dagi na nang tinggi pung taruk patay ko ba curfew si hang toke hanay koi khale aduna Manipur gi miyam da thabai ngang school so koi am puna hang na batoran kari kun gi mathoi dagi school hang na batoran na nana ina hai gi ba nong tarapol loina na ima isa isil na mayam na kem ta lei ri ba tumam sabung kun na lei ba sing so koi thama ama makai si manung da koi yum saraga prefabricated yum sing saraga moi go rehabilitate tong na ba moi gi permanent mafam da sat pa ya te ba tong na ba gi kan nai koi honori Mizoram gi chilinau sing da statement khar pi ba MNF Mizo National Front ki nan la ki statement adu ba zoro hebra la ki statement ai react tong ning da bni du ai ma khoi da so ina request tori state ma gi oi ba wafam da state man ku thingjan ba se tawgunu Mizo National Front na Manipur gi marai ba gi lek pa da bate Mizoram gi praja sing me sure oi bane lowe adu moi karena mafam marang khangdana statement piri budo madu Mizoram government na timely control to biyo natragadi koi masi koi Manipuri mayam ju akhoi gi oi bolana gi khud khud thingjale haibadagi Assam da leiba kariba mayam se saungra ko yai aduna Mizoram ga fat relation su lak yai aduna madu mai Mizoram gi honorable member punamakta laibiriba intellectual mayamda jati mana yene da pangangang ba pahay habi aponte.
Curfew has been relaxed till 1 p.m. in Imphal East and West. However, Bishnupur district has extended the curfew till 12 noon. Kakching and Thobal remained as usual today. In Kangpokpi, curfew relaxed from 5 a.m. to 3 p.m. Markets and shops are open during the curfew relaxation. People were seen rushing to the markets and shops to buy essential items. Normal traffic was observed on the roads. The High Court of Manipur on Wednesday placed an interim stay on the operation of the impugned advertisement dated May 22, 2023, which invited applications for appointment of managing directors in Manipur State Power Company Limited MSPCL and Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited MSPDCL. There shall be an order of interim stay of the operation of the impugned advertisement dated 22nd 05/2023 and its consequential action till the next date of hearing. During the hearing, the High Court agreed to admit the writ petitions filed by N. Jasobanta Singh 58 of Kesampat Mutum Laikai, S. Priyananda Singh 58 of Nagamapal Chungkham Lerak, and Th. Bimol Singh 55 of Ningthau Khongjom, who hold the post of Superintendent Engineer Electricity in the Power Department, to quash the advertisement. The court also granted time till July 3rd for the respondents viz. The Chief Secretary, the Principal Secretary, Commissioner, Secretary DP and the Principal Secretary, Commissioner, Secretary power to file an affidavit in opposition against the admission of the petition. One of the top NSC and IM leaders has said today that refugees, nomadic people and immigrants do not have politics of their own. In a statement issued today, NSC and IM's collective leadership member R.H. Rising said that people cannot imagine politics without land. Refugees, nomadic people and immigrants do not have politics of their own. Of course, they may be granted members of a political community or citizenship of a country they migrated to, but launching a political movement by a group of refugees or immigrants for a separate state in other people's country is an act of aggression on the inherent right of the native people and their land, R.H. Rising said. He added that claiming citizenship of a country with forged documents from fraudsters is a crime against the state. Planting foreign populations in an occupied territory of native people for marginalizing the native people is equally an act of colonialism and expansionism to be condemned, the NSA and IM leader added. According to him, land and water are the foundations of history and politics of a people and their sovereign nation states. All the village states, the city states and nation states of the peoples and nations were built on the foundation of their respective lands, the NSA and IM leader also said. A national territory and water are the arch pillars of a nation state. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.
Admission Open, R&T Institute and Aviation Academy के लाकदोरिबा session 2023-24 के admission हौजरे. Institute asi Ministry of Corporate Affairs Government of India na well recognized तौरबा amati 5-year service complete ओइरबा Manipur da amata ngairaba Air Hostess Training Institute amani. Class 12 pass तौरबा Mahairoi singna tungi afaba career amati aviation industry da changningba singna ming chanbiba yaragani. Male and female punna apply tauba yaraba 10 to 15 years flying experience later trainer singna train tauriba 100+ students placement pikraba institute asida tongan ba course sing khudong chaba lecture course sing adudi international air hostess training, airport operation staff training, ground handling loina na soft skill, career counseling, interview skill, spoken English and Hindi, grooming, guest lecturer session, resume making, mock interview, service classes, first aid, interview preparation, Zumba class, swimming class amati airport visits. Institute asiki staff single loinana placement assistance ki damag Imphal amati atopa state sing da su khudong chaba pizari. Khudong chaba sing asiki damag 12 standard loiraba students sing na institute asida lakpiduna akupa marol tanabiu amati online inquiry ki damag contact number asida call tawbiduna tanabiu 700597047 natraga 8132092225.
SS Career Solution na chahi tara hena khunai sida leiriba naharol singbu achumba sinfam mama khangjana bagi khudong chaba du mapung fana pina bagi damak specialized oiraba team kaya semdona angang singbu nauringai dagi khoiga chana ba sinfam gi maramda singna mari makhong taktuna afaba khunai ama oirakna ba hona duna ngasi fawbala Career Solution amagi chap chana guidance thi ba haibasi arrive dinate adubu Manipurgidi thoina nungsa thiningai oitre SS Career Solution na akaknaba plan amadi expertise singa putsinduna sacha khaknatana community level dagi hauraga adom gi khwaidagi chanaba sinfam adu mai pakna chatnanaba same sagani aikhuigi mamal yamlaba naha singbu tungge chuwa lambela mada lamjing haurasi SS Career Solution na piriba khudong chaba singasi khopna khanta haurasi
Admission Open Central Academy Khabam Sumraithong Manipur laiba CBS da affiliate toba khwaidagi phaba school singi manungda ama oiriba Central Academy Khabam Sumraithong Mantripur ki Kumsi sahigi class 9 gi akaknaba sit khara amasung class 11 science arts ani asigi mingchan ba hojare. School asi yamna mayon chumna fagalakliba national thaki award kaya puthokliba makhal makha kaya gi state and national level competition da gold medalist amadi prize winner puthokliba school ni. Lebaki awabada saruk yaba oina class 9 gi di admission fee amasung tuition fee lodana lemna mingchan jagani. Class 11 gi oina AISSE 2023 amadi ISSLCE 2023 da 90 PC amasung masigi mathakta phangba angang singi damak admission tuition fee lodabatan natana textbook su lemna pizagani. Smart class ka loinana angang singna lairik pagadaba matamda tuition chatpagi hainabi thadok hananaba strict oina class tawgani. Khangdriba fawba takpigani. Lebaki irangi awaba nangliba singidi aikhoina ngamjaba thakta mateng pangjagani. Class 11 gi admission fee lupalising manga loinana prospectus lupachani punna lupalising manga chani khaktani. Akopa moral gi damak school gi office ta tanabiu.
Imphal East District ki oina Higher Secondary Examination 2023 da percentage masing khwaidagi wangna first division da pass tauba Royal Academy of Science Wangkhayamadi Kongbagi class 11 Science 2023-24 da tamnaba admission process hauzare. Ahan by admission tauba satra chamada textbook lem na fanghangani loinana admission fees lupalishing taruk oigani. Bus amasung van service na chingbaga loinana hostel facility su leigani. Ako pamarol gidamag Royal Academy of Science ki Wangkhay office da Lakpiu.
Welcome back. You're watching ELITETV English News. DD India and All India Radio have been voted most trusted electronic media organization in the country as per Reuters Institute Digital News Report 2023. The report said that despite a small decrease of 3% points in overall trust in news, public broadcasters and legacy print brands have retained relatively high levels of trust. The report said public broadcasters, DD India and All India Radio are among those with the highest levels of trust. Global temperatures during the first 11 days of June have hit the highest level on record for the time of the year. Scientists at the European Union's Copernicus Climate Change Service and at the start of June saw global surface air temperatures rise 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels for the first time. Microsoft's CEO Satya Nadella revealed that he uses one particular question to test AI's smartness. Growing up in Hyderabad, I've dreamt about being able to read Persian poetry, the work of Rumi, which has been translated into Urdu and English. GPT-4 did it in one shot, Nadella told Wired. The AI's translation preserved the sovereignty of poetry across two language boundaries, he added. Alphabet is shutting Google domains business and selling the assets to Squarespace, according to a statement released on Thursday. Squarespace is reportedly acquiring the assets, which include 10 million domains hosted on Google domains spread across millions of customers for about $180 million. Squarespace said it'll honor Google domains customers' renewal prices for at least 12 months. Reacting to fresh violence in Manipur, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi questioned PM Narendra Modi's silence on the issue. He said that the BJP's politics of hatred has burned Manipur, killing over 100 people. He added, let's shut the Nafrat ka bazaar and open a Mohabbat ki dukaan in every heart in Manipur. The PM has failed India and is completely silent. Days after Sequoia Capital hived off its Indian unit, Lightspeed venture partners Benjul Somaya said India is not for the faint-hearted. India is tough, but India is worth it. He further said that India's potential remains incredibly compelling. You can't force this market. You have to be patient, quality-oriented, disciplined, and prepared to play the long game, he added. A 19-year-old student who was present at the coaching center in Delhi's Mukherjee Nagar when it caught fire earlier today said she burned her arm while climbing down from the AC duct pipe. I had to jump from the third floor, she said. In videos of the incident that surfaced online, students were seen using wires to escape the building. The speed limits for four-wheelers running on national and state highways in Kerala will be increased from July 1st. Four-wheelers with seating capacity of up to 9 can run at 110 kilometers per hour on 6-lane national highways and at 100 kmph on 4-lane national highways, while the limit for four-wheelers on 4-lane state highways has been increased to 90 kmph. It's time for another short break. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Diabetes ka loina na hinglibusing tha amagi manungda fahanba ngamle. Khong hamba nungai tabasu numit mangani gi manungda fahanba ngamle. Piles haibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahanba ngamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oina lehenba ngamle. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal da lehenba ngamle. Umnamak natural oiba anoba hidak makal singna laying jabani. Haksang da sokadaba side effect amata leite. Makatana hidak chabagi mathausu tararoi. Akopa moral gidamak ngasi maglengsin birau Diabetes Hospital, Jennings Road near Punjab National Bank, Porompat.
Admission open, admission open. Manipur ki mapanda satrabasu yaraba best quality education ga loinana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science Pangai. Manipur University da affiliated toba Indian Nursing Council amadi Pharmacy Council of India na recognized tawraba college asida chatliba academic session asigi akagnaba sit masingi admission hojare. Coursing adudi BSc Nursing, Diploma in Pharmacy, Bachelor of Pharmacy, BSc Forensic Science, BSc Radiology and Imaging Technology, BSc RIT, BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, BSc MLT, amadi BSc Operation Theatre Technology Operation, BSc OTT, hariba coursing asigi scholarship ki kudong saba su pangbigani, amadi meritorious students singi oiba tongan ba kudong saba mayam amalegani. Akopa morog dama 9856575163. College address Pangai opposite MPTC da lengbiraktuna ngasimak kudong saba silawiu.
40 years of trusted diagnostic service, Babina Diagnostics.
Welcome back. Let's continue with the news updates. Overall coal stock position has touched 110.58 million tons as of the 13th of June. The Coal Ministry said this indicates a substantial increase of 44.22% as compared to the stock of 76.67 MT last year. It added that this higher coal stock position indicates the commitment to maintaining an ample supply of coal by the ministry. Overall cumulative coal production for 2023-24 has witnessed remarkable growth, with a production of 182.06 MT, representing an impressive growth rate of 8.26% compared to the previous year's production of 168.17 MT for the same period. President Draupadi Murmu will reach Hyderabad later today on a two-day visit. She will review the combined graduation parade at the Air Force Academy at Dundigal tomorrow morning. President Murmu, the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces, will arrive at the Begumpet Airport this evening and stay overnight at Raj Bhavan in Hyderabad. After the parade, President Murmu will leave for Delhi tomorrow morning. She will present the wings and brevets to officers of the Indian Navy, Coast Guard and cadets from friendly foreign countries who have been trained at the Air Force Academy. The ceremony also includes an aerobatic display by several aircraft. The Meteorology Department has issued warning of heavy to very heavy rain with strong winds in many districts of Rajasthan for today and tomorrow due to the effect of cyclone Biparjoy. According to the MET department, the cyclonic storm is likely to enter the state from Gujarat today with deep depression. The Meteorological Center of Jaipur has issued a red alert for extremely heavy rainfall with strong winds in Barmer and Jalore districts today. According to IMD, the landfall process of the severe cyclonic storm Biparjoy has commenced over the coastal districts of Saurashtra and Kutch. The cyclone is likely to move towards South Rajasthan, due to which Kutch and Banaskantha Patan of North Gujarat are likely to receive heaviest rainfall. It is raining with wind in some areas. Relief Commissioner Alok Pandey said that the maximum average speed of the cyclones in Kutch was recorded at 108 kmph, while the minimum average speed was recorded at 78 kmph. Relief Commissioner Alok Pandey further said that as many as 20 electricity poles have fallen and 524 trees have fallen in a total of 900 villages of Kutch and Saurashtra. Maximum 23 trees have fallen in Dwarka. No casualty has been reported yet. However, a total of 23 animals have died. On Friday, the administration will start restoring the situation due to the storm. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel spoke to Prime Minister Narendra Modi on telephone. The Prime Minister reviewed the cyclone situation with him. He expressed concern for the safety of wild animals, including Gir lions. For ELITETV News channel, contact the email address info@elitv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's look at the top headlines once again. Miscreants burned down the house of Union Minister of State R.K. Ranjan. Refugees, nomadic people and immigrants do not have politics of their own, NSCN-IM. And curfew relaxed till 1 p.m. in Imphal West and East. That's all for now. Tune in at 3 p.m. for more news updates in English. Thank you for watching ELITETV English News. Take care and stay safe.